like that.
It's early in the season, but we wanted to come out and enjoy the sunshine and the water, even though it's ice cold. So let me show you.
Hey.
Hey. Cruising with the mini truck.
We love cruising our mini truck through the mountains. Another amazing thing about living in the Japanese countryside.
Double shifting on the left side. Demo day. Brought up some tools.
I'm gonna start this old room, start tearing things down. We have an idea of what we want to do with it, but we first gotta get rid of all the crap.
There we go.
We might want to get some gloves.
Look at how big it is up here now. Oh my god.
Oh my god, we're opening it up, aren't we?
It's the view is great. I can't wait till we take it all out.
Yeah. So we demoed day one demo. It's probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Just pulled apart a bunch of stuff. Pulled apart this wall right here, this wall. Took off all this weird kind of thin siding crap, and then we started taking off this weird like cardboard roof stuff to expose the beams. So kind of a fun little start.
Yeah.
Much more to continue.
Look at how much wood we have over there and get rid of now.
Yeah, look at that big pile. Gotta burn it. Making some sliders on a Japanese grill. That's what I'm doing. It almost looks like you're American. Look at that. Homemade burger face. Are you a burger face? Burger head. That?
Yeah, it's gonna be, the white will be, not sure, but this is the lemons. Yeah, this is it, 185 now. So I think I will make this is 180 now. So
Mine's to the very end here.
yeah. First, I had some drawing with copies. Like,
Yeah.
but it's for our technique, can't do so deep.
Detailed. Yeah, we don't need
No,
it to be
it's-
super detailed, but
yeah.
this is a more accurate shape.
Yeah.
Impressionism is good.
I
Look
like
at
that a
this.
lot.
Look at these books. Wow. Look at all of these different ones. So cool.
I like this like tie-dye style like that. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's
cool.
beautiful.
Wow.
Oh, see?
If you could make little white stems on there, that might be good too. Yeah, but I like this a lot. What do you like?
I
what
do
you think
too.
about that?
Yeah, this
I do
is
too.
my image.
That's
I
cool.
like, but the poppy, you
The sun.
capture
Yeah.
kind of the
With the sun.
poppy.
Yeah, yeah.
Sun and the
Flower,
mountain,
the
maybe
earth.
Katsuyama.
Those are the three colors. With white, of course, too.
With white.
In that material.
Right.
Okay.
Love it.
So I will draw them again, and then with the
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're walking to a friend's barbecue out on the river. Brought our own barbecue. Let's get this party started. The burnt wood. Party of face plant.
Hey everyone, we're back here at the coast, up in Shimane.
Yeah, it's beautiful out.
Yeah.
It's a little overcast today.
A little
but it's
overcast.
warm.
We decided to come out here again and check out another home. Konami. This is Konami. There's one called Nonami as well. This is Konami Beach, which it's like it's astounding that there's this teal colored incredible beach and there's last time there wasn't anyone here either.
There's one man
Completely alone
walking
now.
on the sidewalk way over there. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Look at this. A fully intact, beautiful. Look at that beauty. That's so cool. One of the coolest things about this house we just looked at is it's right next to this island here called Katsurashima Park, and you can walk out to it. So come on, we're gonna walk out there right now and check it out. Here's off the other side. Look how clear that is.
Going over the bridge. Pretty nice.
Great. Oh, look. Look. It's beautiful. And it's fully intact.
Fully intact shell.
Cut here.
What's really great about being on the beach in Japan is you can eat sushi on the sushi on the beach.
Gas station sushi.
Yeah.
Hey, so I'm out in the yard area in front of our house. Our house is up there. So I'm down here, and there's some wild herbs growing down here that some of the locals told me about. So I'm gonna gather up these herbs and I'll show you what the locals here do with it. So these are the herbs here, these gangly looking things like this. And if you see, when they're cut, they're hollow on the inside and they're a bright, bright green. And one of our friends says that they like to peel this skin off and they just eat it. So let's go in and try it out. So just showing you what this looks like on the inside. When you cut it, it's bright green. First thing we'll do is let's skin it and eat it all by itself and see what we think. All right, so here it is, all by itself. No sugar, no salt. Tart. I'm gonna now do what another friend suggested, and she specializes in the whole Japanese wild herb cuisine. She says to stick the whole stalk in a blender with a little water and then wait for it to separate. So I'm gonna film doing all of that. Apparently this is incredibly healthy for people who suffer from fatigue. I'm not entirely sure because I haven't looked up this plant yet, but I will post what it actually is. I'm gonna look up and see if there's some kind of alkaloid in it or if there's some kind of ingredient like caffeine or something in this plant. Or maybe it's just full of electrolytes. I don't know. I haven't looked into it yet, but I will. Okay, so here I have all this chopped up. We're gonna put this in the fancy Vitamix blender with some water and see how it goes. There were no clear instructions as far as like measurements or ratios, so I'm just gonna put in a little bit of water like that and see if this gets the job done. It smells just like it looks. It smells like cut grass. So what we're supposed to do next, I'm gonna pour this into a container and then we let this settle overnight for about 24 hours. And then there should be a clear liquid on the top and all the green should be at the bottom. And then we will drink the clear liquid with a little bit of honey or sugar added to it. So there we have it. We will try it tomorrow morning. So here it is. You'll see the see-through pink liquid has been strained off and there's been a little honey added to it for making it a little more palatable with an ice cube.
You like that?
Mm-hmm. I actually do like it a lot.
You like that weed?
Party time! Excellent! Actually, we're just out here collecting rocks. So we have some projects at home we're working on, and this is the perfect place to come collect for it. Project 1 is we want to create a granite walkway in our mini orchard. And there's a beautiful variety of granite rock out here. We just have to stop in long enough to look for the flat rocks. And the other one,
These are the flat white granite rocks we want for the garden space.
yeah, wait for that DIY video, okay? It's coming soon. And the other one, we really want to get, what's it called? A tumbler. Because there's the most beautiful rocks out here, and if they were tumbled, it seems like there's a lot of copper and jade in a lot of the rocks. We want to start making capuchons out of the garage, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we got these chairs in, we ordered. Now it is just time to put them together. One down and one to go. Looking pretty good. Alright, I did it! They're cute, they're small. We still need like a little area rug in here and a couple plants. But hey! And I can sit on them, I already tried it. They didn't fall apart, it's great. Mission accomplished. Look how beautiful it is.